This is an addition algorithm. I took it from your textbook. It's in section 4.2, problem number 6. But you're not really looking at your book probably for homework problems. You're looking more at Wiley Plus. So I just wanted to show you how to do this particular algorithm. Now you remember doing basic facts table, and for base 10, we only see 0 through 9 in the column and at the top row. So when students are adding, they can only add numbers up to 9. So the biggest number they can add on that table is 9 plus 9. So you can see right here, if you add the 8 and the 6, you're going to get 14. Well, then a student is going to look at the basic facts table and not realize that there's no 14 there, and they won't know what to do. So what we do is show you how to do this, well, from scratch. So here you see we get an 8 and a 6. So that adds to 14. So normally, if we only had those two numbers, we would record the 4 and carry the 1. What we're going to do instead is every time we hit a number bigger than 10, we're going to make a scratch for that 10. So you see here they made a scratch across the 6, and they recorded the 4 here next to the 8. So now they're going to add 8 and 4 and get 12. So you can see in the next step that for the 10, they made a scratch on the 8, and they recorded the 2 right here. What they do then is they count the scratches. So we have 2 scratches. So in this step, they actually recorded the 2, and they started the process again. So this is 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. They made a scratch and recorded the 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. They counted the scratch, and that's what they recorded here. So why don't I show you how to do another problem as an example. Let's look at A. So we have what? 734, 468. I should leave a little bit more space, and 27. And let's add those. So 4 and 8 is 12. So I'm going to make a slash, a scratch, and I'm going to record the 2 here. 2 plus 7 is 9. I count my scratch, and I record that up here in the tens column. 1 and 3 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. I make a scratch, and I don't really need the 0, but it's nice to record that that's what happened. So I have my 2. I count my scratches, and that's my carry. So we have 1 and 7 is 8, plus 4 is 12. Make a scratch, and I record my 2 here. Then I count. I only have 1 scratch, so my answer is 1,229. So we only have 1 more to go, so why don't we do this other one? 1,364. We have a 7,257 and 4,813. And let's add those. Okay, so what do we have? 4 and 7 is 11, so I need a scratch and to record the 1. 1 and 3 is 4. So I have a carry. I have 1 scratch, so that'll be a carry. 7, 6 and 1 is 7. 7 and 5 is 12. So I make my scratch, and I record my 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. I have 1 scratch, that's my carry. So 1 and 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 8 is 14. Again, just 1 scratch. 1 and 1 is 2, plus 7 is 9, plus 4 is 13. Record the 3, and then I have a carry, which makes my answer 1,000, well, no, it's 13,434.